In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Jira board to Excel. This is a handy skill that can streamline your workflow by allowing you and your team to share comprehensive project details quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the entire process. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Jira account. Once logged in, navigate to your Jira homepage. This is typically where you land right after logging in, and it's the launching pad for accessing all your projects and tasks. From this page, you're going to select the specific project you wish to export to Excel. This is crucial, as you'll want to ensure that all relevant data from the correct project is captured in your export. Once you've identified and clicked on your desired project, you'll be directed to that project's dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if you aren't already, as it houses all the details and information pertaining to that specific project. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 vertical dots. This icon is often referred to as the More Options menu or Overflow menu. Clicking here gives you access to various project actions and features. With the menu now open, look for the option labeled Export. Here's where you can choose how you want to export your data. For our purposes today, we'll opt to export as CSV. This format is particularly user-friendly because it seamlessly integrates with Excel, allowing for easy manipulation and analysis of your data. When you select Export as CSV, Jira will begin the process of generating your export file. Depending on the size of the project and the amount of data, this might take a moment or two. Once the download is ready, it will usually appear at the bottom of your browser window or in the Downloads section, depending on your browser settings. Open the downloaded CSV file using Excel or your preferred spreadsheet software. You should see your project data neatly organized into rows and columns. This format is ideal for making calculations, creating charts, or simply providing a clear view of your project insights. Remember, if the data seems a bit overwhelming at first glance, don't worry. With a bit of sorting and filtering, you can quickly tailor this information to suit your specific needs. And there you have it. Exporting your Jira board to Excel is as simple as selecting a project and following these intuitive steps. It's a great way to make your project data more flexible and useful beyond the confines of Jira. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like or share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!